Are we live? Hello everybody, Perez Hilton here. I just got home from the gym, so my adrenalines are going and I am so extra excited to do this. I've partnered with FabFitFun to make a video of me unboxing my first ever FabFitFun arrival. And I have a very special guest doing camera person duties.
Mom.
My mom. If you guys don't know FabFitFun, they are a quarterly subscription box with the best products in lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and fitness. So I may gift my mom something from here. I am so excited to inspire myself from these products to up my game, try something new, and hopefully inspire you too. This is the editor's box, which is worth over $300. But if you go to fabfitfun.com/editors-box, you can get this over $300 box for just $39.99. Make sure you use promo code Perez10, okay? That's fabfitfun.com/editors-box and use promo code Perez10 and you'll get $10 off your first order. Yes! All right, let's do this. I'm excited. And I haven't had any coffee. It's just the endorphins and the adrenaline from the gym. Feeling good, feeling so good. I'm so thankful that I'm in a happy place and all of your support and you're watching this. You're amazing. Thank you. Let's do this. Ooh. All right. Ooh, a nice little magazine. Very interactive. They thought about everything. FabFitFun. Oh my God, and you can share it on with your friends. They give you this promo so that you can keep the fab going. I love it. 70 to 80% off. Magical. All right, first, we've got a nourishing dew mask. Ooh, sorry, Mom, but I'm keeping this from Wish. I could so use it. As you know, I've been having some skin issues lately. I had to go to the dermatologist, but nourishment is always a good thing. Ooh, it's got rose, hip, and lotus. I cannot wait to try that. Let's see. Bulgarian, whoa, I'm keeping this one too, Mom, sorry. Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. I need to smell this right now. Oh my God, it's wrapped, but I can still smell it. That's good. Woo, that is good. I'm so excited to try that. All right, next, from Summer and Rose. Wait, this brand was Spongeli. Spongeli. Okay, this is from Summer and Rose. All right, Mom, this may be for you. Well, it is for you. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this necklace. Do you like it?
Yes.
Classic chic from Summer and Rose. Oh my God, I can't believe that you can get all of this for just $39.99. FabFitFun.com/editors-box. The link will be in the description. Use promo code Perez10. $39.99. Amazing. Private party. Ooh, sounds fun. Oh my gosh, a tote. Meet me at the bar, as in bar class, which I have done, and it is way hard. This is so cute. You know what? I love this, but I'm a good dad. My daughter loves her some bags. I'm gonna give this to Mia. Isn't she gonna love this, Mom?
Yes.
From Private Party. All right, this is from Real Her. A shadow palette. Oh, Mom, this is yours. And if you guys watched that makeup video I did with my mom in December, she doesn't own any makeup. She has like a lipstick that she never uses and dried out eyeshadow. I tried it on myself, it didn't work. So this is going to Mom, Real Her Shadow Palette. Let me open it.
Thank you.
So that I can see the colors. Oh my God, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, amazing. We are down with that. Let's see. Do your squats, that's cute. Ooh, these are colors my mom would use. These are her tones. Driven, limitless, and I love the names. Invincible, bodacious, dazzling, terrific. I think terrific is my favorite. Mom is getting a necklace, some eyeshadow. She is living her FabFitFun life as well. All right, next. Ooh, what the heck is this? Muscle Soak. I could probably use this. Muscle Soak Himalayans. Oh, it's for the bath. Duh, Himalayan salt. I've done salt baths before. This is so good to get rid of the aches and pains in your body after you've been working out, which I do. And I encourage everybody to do as well, even if it's just walking. Walking is so effective. I've said that time and time again, but it's true. It's free. Everybody knows how to do it, and you don't need a gym or a partner to walk. Do it. And this will be coming in very handy for me. Yay! All right, next. From Makeup Drop. The original silicone makeup applicator. Oh, yes. It's one of those, oh my God, I might have to make a fun video with this. That is from Makeup Drop. I will use this for when I do a red carpet, put my foundation, my liquid foundation on real quick and easy. That's all I use. I keep it simple. And also, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. You know, I love me some, what, Suzanne Summers, what's hers? A parka. Yes. I will be rocking this. This is from BB Dakota. I am in love with the editor's box from FabFitFun. Thank you guys for partnering with me. Thank you for sending all of this amazing product my way for me to try and have fun with and live my most fab, my most fit, my most fun life. You can too. Just go to fabfitfun.com/editors-box and don't forget to use the promo code Perez10. Take a close-up, Mom. All that good stuff. Yes, yes, yes. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Say thanks, FabFitFun.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.